In the unfolding drama of the digital age, where the nexus of technology and ethics is continually tested, a saga of unprecedented proportions has emerged, pitting two behemoths of the tech world against each other. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur synonymous with Tesla and SpaceX, and Apple, the iconic titan renowned for its innovation and sleek design. At the epicenter of this burgeoning conflict lies Apple's bombshell announcement of a strategic partnership with OpenAI, a watershed moment that has set the stage for a clash of ideologies and interests, with far-reaching implications for the future of artificial intelligence, privacy, and corporate accountability. The announcement, made amidst great fanfare at Apple's prestigious developers conference, unveiled plans to integrate OpenAI's revolutionary ChatGPT chatbot into the fabric of Apple's ecosystem, heralding a new era of AI-powered interaction with its flagship voice assistant, Siri. While hailed by some as a leap forward in the quest for smarter, more intuitive technology, the partnership has drawn the ire of Musk, whose deep-seated concerns over data privacy and ethical AI development have propelled him into the forefront of a contentious debate. In a series of blistering missives unleashed across his social media platform X, Musk wasted no time in denouncing the partnership as an unacceptable security violation, casting doubt on Apple's assurances of user consent and data protection. His skepticism, rooted in a profound commitment to advancing technology for the betterment of humanity, stems from a belief that the integration of OpenAI's technology into Apple's ecosystem represents a fundamental breach of trust, an affront to the principles of transparency, accountability, and user empowerment that he holds dear. Central to Musk's critique is the notion of agency, the belief that users should have full control over their data and the algorithms that shape their digital experiences. His threat to ban Apple devices from his corporate domain serves as a stark reminder of the power wielded by tech titans in shaping the trajectory of our digital lives, a power that must be tempered by a profound sense of responsibility and stewardship. Yet, beneath the surface of this clash of titans lies a deeper question. What kind of future do we want to build with technology? In Musk's impassioned crusade against what he perceives as the encroachment of creepy spyware, there emerges a clarion call for a more conscientious and humane approach to technological innovation, one that prioritizes the welfare of users and the greater good of society above profit and corporate interests. As the battle lines are drawn and the rhetoric escalates, the clash between Musk and Apple serves as a stark reminder of the profound ethical dilemmas that lie at the heart of the AI revolution. In the crucible of this conflict, the future of technology hangs in the balance, poised between the promise of progress and the perils of unchecked power. It is a moment of reckoning, a moment that demands not just technological innovation, but moral courage and ethical leadership of the highest order.